Milan is a city that seamlessly blends business and leisure, offering a captivating world of experiences for all travelers. From the iconic Duomo to the charming Navigli canals, Milan's multifaceted appeal will leave you in awe. The concept of Bleisure has taken Milan by storm, allowing you to mix work and pleasure in this global business hub. Start your day with a stroll through Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II and admire the Duomo di Milano for a panoramic view. As the sun sets, explore the vibrant Navigli district and indulge in Michelin-starred cuisine. Milan is not only a paradise for fashionistas, but also for culinary enthusiasts, with a range of Michelin-starred restaurants to satisfy your cravings. Beyond the glamour, Milan is home to architectural marvels like Castello Sforzesco and art gems like Pinacoteca di Brera. The city also celebrates its vibrant spirit through events like Milan Fashion Weeks and the Milan Furniture Fair. Whether you're here for business or pleasure, embrace Milan's Bleisure spirit and unlock a world of enchantment, sophistication, and unforgettable memories.